Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to save or export a video from CapCut to gallery. So let's get started. On your phone, just easily open the CapCut app. Once you open your CapCut app, choose a project that you want to save. After that, you will see the export button on the upper right side. Just tap it to save the video. When it's done from exporting, you can check your gallery if the video was saved. Then that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.